Okay, we start with our chapter, the remaining part of our chapter. You all should have your books and a pencil with you. Wherever I find a difficult word or something, I will let you know so that you can write the meaning of it. Okay? Okay, so what we have studied yesterday? We have studied that there is a dog, his name is Tricky. Okay? And due to her mistress showing overlove towards him, what happened to him? He becomes so fat, dull and lazy. And there is a veterinary doctor. Okay, what is the name of the doctor? Mr. Roy. And when he saw the dog, he found that the dog is in trouble. And he found that if Mrs. Femfrey, the mistress of the dog, is going to do the same thing. What she is doing? She is overfeeding the dog. And the doctor felt that if she will not stop this overfeeding, then one day what will happen? One day that dog will die, will become seriously ill. So he made a plan. He was very clever. He made a plan that when Mrs. Femfrey one day called doctor and told him that he is doing vomiting, the dog is not eating anything. So what he said that the dog is seriously ill and he should be admitted in the hospital. Now slowly and gradually what we saw that when that dog came to the hospital, certain changes are there in it. The 2 days doctor only gave him water, doesn't give him any food. Fine. And when he gave that water to that, then what happened? On the 3rd day, he eats something. He came out of it. The first 2 days, he was not interested in staying there. Even he is not indulged with other dogs. Okay. But now what? Slowly and gradually, he started coming in contact with other dogs and wants to play with them, wants to eat with them. Okay. Now we will start by this. Later that day, I present at feeding time. I watched while Drayson sloped the food into the bowl. Now the doctor is saying that on the 3rd day only, what happened? When the feeding time is there, the doctor is standing there. And this person, Tristen, Drayson is a person in the hospital who used to feed the students. Feed the dogs. Okay, he's a person in the hospital who used to feed the dogs. Fine. So what he did, the doctor is watching. When he is serving that dog, I was present at the feeding time. There was an unusual headlong rush followed by the sounds of the high-speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. He was saying that when he saw that in the bowls of the dogs, they have put in that food, he saw that headlong. What do you mean by headlong? Too quickly. All dogs, what they did? They just came out very quickly to eat that food. Because they know if they are not going to come out quickly, then what? Some other dog is going to eat their food. Fine? So doctor saw that all the dogs are running. But what Tricky is doing? When they had finished, Tricky took a walk around the shining balls, licking casually inside one or two of them. Next day, the extra ball was put out for him and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. Now what happened? I told you that if the dog is not coming to have his food, the other dogs are eating from his bowl. So same thing happened with Tricky. What happened? That after they all finished and they went from there, what happened? Tricky went to the bowl, he licked 2-3 bowls and then come back to his place. But what the change doctor saw next day, Jostling, jostling means pushing hard. When we push hard somebody and we want to go forward. So what the doctor saw that next day when the food is being given to the dogs. Okay, so what happened? Tricky is also running very fast. Okay, he's pushing each and every dog and he's running very fast to have his food. From then on, his progress was rapid. The doctor is saying now from that day, he started progressing slowly and gradually. Okay, he had no medical treatment for any kind, but all day he ran through with dogs, joining in their friendly squadrons. Now, what day he was saying that No medical treatment is given to that dog, Tricky. Okay, only he is being given the atmosphere where he can struggle for his own food, where he can run. And what doctor saw, that he is running with other dogs, he is joining with a SCRIMMAGES, scrimmage. Scrimmage means hota hai a friendly fight. Okay, the friendly fight. So doctor saw that he is doing a friendly fight with the other dogs also. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on and squashed every few minutes. Now doctor also saw this thing that he was enjoying when the food is being served in their bowl. He was enjoying, came running and eating that food. Tramped on. Tramped on is an idiom. Tramped on means walking. Okay, he is enjoying walking also and squashed every few minutes. He became an expected member of the gang, an unlikely, silly little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at the meal times and hunting rats in an old hen house at the night time. Now doctor saw this thing only, that earlier what he was, an lazy fellow. Now what he become? Shaggy means dirty, untidy. So now he is also playing with the other dogs. Just like the other dogs are doing, he is also doing. He is running, whole day he is running with the dogs, he is hunting rats, okay. All the while, Mrs. Fempry hopped anxiously in the background, bringing a dirge's time of a day for a latest bulletin. Now what Mrs. Fempry, I told you yesterday that Mrs. Fempry is very caring. She loves her dog a lot, though she always used to call the doctor and ask about the whereabouts. That how's my dog, is he alright or not? Fine. I dodged the question about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. But I unable to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and complexing deputy. Now what the doctor told, she used to ask the doctor, is he wearing his correct coat? Fine. Is he sleeping on his cushion? Is he eating properly? And the doctor don't used to answer all these questions. What the doctor say? Doctor only say, what do you mean by the word complexing? CONVALIC. Complexing means recovering. Doctor said that he is recovering very rapidly. Now he is better. The word complexing seemed to do something to Mrs. Fempry. Now this word complexing that he is recovering, it was like a miracle for Mrs. Fempry. How? She started to bring around fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. Now what she started doing? She started sending to the hospital, she started sending eggs. 2 dozen eggs. Okay, means 24 eggs at a single time. In the morning she used to send 24 eggs so that Tricky will not fall ill again. And she told the doctor on the call that I am sending the eggs, let Tricky eat them. Now again what she is doing, she is making that dog again the lazy one. Okay, but doctor is very clever. What he did, for a happy period, my partner and I had 2 eggs each for the breakfast. What the doctor did, he didn't give the eggs to Tricky. He and his partner, they used to eat the eggs. Mrs. Fempry daily she used to send 2 dozen eggs. For whom? For Tricky, her dog. But what did the doctor do? He and his friend used to eat that eggs. He doesn't give to Tricky because they know if they are going to again doing a spoon feeding to him, he again going to become lazy. Okay. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibility of the situation began to dawn on the household. Now what happened? After a few days, I told you yesterday that in between the meals she used to give him wine also. Mrs. Fempry used to give Tricky some wine also. Okay. Now she started sending the wine bottles. For whom? For Tricky. Now the doctor is again very clever. He doesn't give that wine bottles to Tricky. He started drinking himself. It was to enrich Tricky's blood. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with the 2 glasses of wine before and several during meals. He was saying that now we are started enjoying the meal. We are eating eggs, we are drinking wine, whatever things Mrs. Fempry is sending for Tricky, the doctor is eating that. Okay. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge to the Tricky's constitution. Now what happened? First of all, she started sending eggs. Then slowly she started sending wines. Third day she sent what? Brandy. Okay, again an alcohol. For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled and relevantly drunk. He was saying a few nights we used to do a campfire, and very nicely me and my partner, the doctor is saying that me and my partner, we both what we are doing? We are just drinking that brandy. There were days of beef content, starting well with the extra eggs in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously around the fire with a brandy. Now, doctor is explaining that due to all these things which Mrs. Penfrey has said what he was enjoying, he was enjoying extra eggs. He was eating eggs very well sufficiently. Then what he was doing, he was having in the morning he was having wine, and at the night he used to have brandy. It was a temptation to keep Tricky as a permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Penfrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. Now he was saying that when we are getting so much luxurious life, we are getting eggs in free, we are getting brandy, we are getting wine in free. So it is like we should keep this dog. Doctor thought that once I thought this thing, that I should keep this dog permanently in the hospital. So that what? Mrs. Penfrey used to send some more food items. Fine, but he knows that Mrs. Penfrey is buried. So after the fortnight, fortnight means after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, he called Mrs. Penfrey, the doctor called Mrs. Penfrey and told that your dog is being recovered and you come and take him home. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. This gleaming black metal is a black car, shining black car. Okay, within minutes, about 30 feet off. 30 feet means a long black car. Okay, drew up outside the surgery. When the doctor called, after 30 minutes, Mrs. Penfrey came into her big car. Okay, black car. The chauffeur opened the door and I could just make out a figure of Mrs. Penfrey almost lost in the interior. Chauffeur is the car driver. The car driver opened the door, and what the doctor saw, that Mrs. Penfrey is sitting in the car and she's lost somewhere. She's thinking about somewhere. Okay? Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Leroy, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? Now what she's doing? She's doing like this. And she was like in a fear. She told doctor that, please doctor, do let me know that my dog is alright or not. Okay? I walked through yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him. Now what the doctor said? Doctor said he is completely fine. Okay, you don't have to worry. And you don't get out of the car also. You sit here only. I will go and fetch. F-E-T-C-H. Fetch means bring. You're saying, I will go and I will bring your dog. You wait here only. I walked through the house in the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling around and round the lawn, and in the midst, ears flapping and tail wapping, was a little golden figure of Tricky. Now, when he went to that house where the dogs are kept, the doctor went there. What he saw, that Tricky is playing with other dogs. Okay, in 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a Lathal, hard-muscled animal. L-I-T-H-E. Lathal means flexible body. Now, Tricky is having a flexible body. Earlier we have saw that he is very fat. He cannot even walk. Now he is having a flexible body. So in 2 weeks he has transformed. He has reduced weight. His body has become flexible. His muscles have become strong. He was keeping up well with the pack of stretching out in the great bounds. His chest almost brushing the ground. Now he was saying he had a very good build up, a very good body. Now fat is not there with him. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open when Tricky saw his mistress. He took off from his arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Penfrey's lap. Now what happened? The doctor bring that dog. The chauffeur is still holding that door. Okay, when the driver is holding the door, it means you have to come out. When he opened the door, when the driver is opening the door, it means the person sitting inside will come out. But Mrs. Penfrey is sitting inside only. Okay, So the doctor brings Tricky, and what happened when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off. Took off means, children, here run off. Took off means TOOKOFF. Took off means run off. Tricky just run off in a tremendous leap, jumping. While jumping, he ran off towards his mistress, Mrs. Fempry, and go and sit in his lap. If you are having a dog at your home, and when you return from somewhere, what your dogs do? They come in a high speed running, and they will just want to climb on it. The same thing is Tricky is doing. She gave us letter O, and then had a defend himself as he swam over her, licking her face and barking. Now, Mrs. Fempry, STARTLED, startled means shocked. She was shocked. Earlier, when her dog came here, what happened? He is not able to walk also. Now he is running. Okay, so she becomes shocked, and what she is doing, she is defending herself. Why she is defending? Because the dog, he was swam, SWARMED, swam means moving. He was climbing up on Mrs. Fempry. The dog is licking Mrs. Fempry. You know what is licking? Chatna. The dog chatte hain. He is licking Mrs. Fempry, and she is defending herself. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats and bowls, none of which had been used. Now, when they both are getting encountered, what happened? The doctor told the chauffeur that come with me, I will give you all the belongings of Tricky, which Mrs. Fempry had sent. His favorite cushions, his bowls, everything. And doctor hasn't used all these things. When Tricky is in the hospital, doctor didn't use all these things. He has treated as the other dogs are treated. He has not given any special treatment. Okay. As the car moved away, Mrs. Fempry leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes. Her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Heroid," she cried, "how can I ever thank you?" This is the triumph of surgery. Now, when the car moved, the Mrs. Fempry, she just looked out of the window and said that I am very thankful to you, doctor. I don't know how to thank you. You have changed my Tricky. You have cured my Tricky. And we can see that he has not given any medical treatment. It was only he is put between the other dogs and been treated as a dog being treated. Okay. He has not given any luxurious life. When the dog, what the dogs used to do? They used to run for their food. They should struggle for their food. Okay, and when Tricky is at Mrs. Fempry's house, he is not struggling for anything. He is getting everything on a plate. Fine. So that's why he become ill. That's why he become lazy. Now what the doctor has done, he has not given any surgery, anything. What he has done, he has only created an atmosphere around him so that as the other dogs are behaving, he also used to behave. And with this, in 2 weeks, he has completely changed. Okay, children? Now, we will discuss with this question. See, think it about, are the questions there? And when you are going to come back to school, I will make you write. I will dictate the questions and you are going to write it. Right now, you don't have to do anything in your copy. We are just giving a discussion over here. Okay? So, you don't write anything in your copy. We are just discussing it. What is there in the answers? Fine. When you are coming to school back, I am going to give you the answers. Fine. So don't write any answers from any refreshers. Okay? Okay. Think it about what kind of person do you know the narrator, a veterinary surgeon is? What would you say he is tactful as well as full of common sense? Now what kind of person he is? He is a clever person. Okay, and would you say that he is tactful? Yes, he is tactful. And what he is having a lot of common sense. We can give an example. How? Because when Mrs. Fempry told that Tricky was ill, at that time he just carried Tricky with him to the hospital because he know while going to the hospital only, with living with the other dogs only, he is going to get cured. Okay, so he is very tactfully he handled Mrs. Fempry, who is in so much love with a dog. Okay. Do you think Tricky was happy to go home? what do you think will happen now? Tricky was happy to go home. Yes, he was happy. How can we say that? Because when he saw his mistress, he started licking her. Okay, and what do you think will happen now? What do you think it is going to happen? If Mrs. Fimpri is going to follow the old routine, again Tricky is going to fall ill, and if not, then Tricky will remain healthy and he will not become lazy. Okay? Do you think this is the real life episode or a fiction, or it is a mixture of both? We can say it is a real life. In real life also, what happens when we have spoon-feeded with everything, we forget to do things by ourselves. Okay, if your parents or if your teachers or anyone else is doing everything for you, then you don't know how to cook even a Maggi, right? But if our parents used to leave us, then what happened? If we are feeling hungry, we will cook something for us and eat. Okay, same thing happened with Tricky. When he was living with Mrs. Fimpri, what is happening? She is feeding everything. So he don't want to struggle for anything. But when he went to that hospital, he has to struggle for his food. Otherwise, his food is going to be eaten by the other dogs. He realized this thing and he started struggling for the food. Right? So we have to struggle in life for everything. Everything is not being spoon-feeded. And if we are doing this thing, then in future, there is a lot of trouble for us also. Okay? Fine. So it is a real life episode. Okay children? Now